There's nothing to be gained, Maggie! Maggie!
Jelly, don't get stepped on. Jelly.
That cat stroking that bear like its prey. The cat narrowly escaped from the coyote attack in Surfside Beach.
Hello.
Every camera roll of middle-aged men.
Nope.
Guess what, kitty? I can do this all day.
No playing when the cat's tired. That's the first rule in this house.
Me ignoring someone versus me being ignored.
Huh? It's not.
It's wake up time.
Cat's reaction to a giant centipede. They're like talking to each other. So wonderful.
Well, I guess I'll move back over.
What? Dolphin and cat, proving that friendship knows no bounds.
Traveling counterclockwise, that's from that dolphin over here, all that on that other side is the dolphin only area. Look at the cat. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at the cat.
Hey.
If you want to catch squirrel cat, you gotta be faster.
Dude really knows that he's not photogenic at all.
When the excitement to see Mom also becomes a unique Zumba dance.
Fur's always sleek. Black Bear wants to be friends. Cat says, sorry, too busy, with a slap.
Boxing.
Nope.
There's still some shyness, but those efforts are truly commendable.
小飞官来呢？
Friendship exists in many forms, and this is just one of them.
Have you known about the best way to wake a dog up? Dog won't notice how weird they look doing that until someone does it in front of it. It's Sunday, and you can finally take some rest before another week.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy.
Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god!
evidence shows that music fans aren't just humans.
Okay. Go get it over there. Watch the table! No!
So, every time I just try to attempt some drinking water. Yo! Смотрите, что делает собака.
I'm just gonna scooch in here.
I love you. No.
What have you done? What did you do?
Habits that are hard to break. Silliness mode. Friends will never let you do anything silly alone. Someone needs to learn a course about overcoming obstacles. He can eat, sleep, but he can't escape the tree. Everything you do is simply to befriend the picky one.
Keep going.
Yeah, she can't throw that to you yet, buddy. She's too little.
Why are you stealing fries?
Oh no. Wake up.
Excuse me? Tucker! Ah! What are you doing? That's not a good boy.
When your hard-hearted friend won't leave you alone. You have to apply your new way of scratching suddenly. When you choose to work harder instead of smarter.
I wanna hold your hand.
Look at me, honey. You in trouble? Who did that, honey? Honey, who did that? Did you do that? That's not nice. Nope, not nice.
Woo! Finally done that. Put that up. Am I being too loud? I'm sorry. Do I need to turn the music down too?
Puppy?
That is hilarious. You see our queen song? Yeah.
What did you do? What did you do? Who was the naughty dog? Did you eat kale?
You give me a triple kiss?
Going outside is also a way to evaluate your fitness ability. Sleep doesn't mean he'll turn off his defense mode. When you want to be cool, but your IQ is not very high.
Ну, всех собак решил протаранить сегодня, да?
Blue.
The rare tranquil moments that only happen for a few minutes a day. Oh wait. He really wants to go out, but there's always a guard standing at the door. Here's why we're convinced that dogs are born the silly laughter makers. Thank you for watching. How our canine friend sleeps after dedicating an entire day to ensuring our happiness. When you aren't into skinship, but your bestie is. This canine machine appears to be encountering glitches in his system. As we come to the end of this journey, we hope these adorable moments brightened your day. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.
Go, baby, go! Que gracinha, gente, olha só.
What the heck?
Huskies are so trifling sometimes. Just heard that her surfing trip was canceled, so don't ever think Huskies are silly. He even makes a joke on him.
This is a story about a girl named Lucky.
Titanium head be like, me when I have to wake up early.
How to say you're mad without saying anything. Do you know that this sleeping position is called no bills to pay?
Huh?
Puppy looks like he's meditating. Deeply inhale, boy. Accidentally falling in love, be like,
See that? What's the point of the seat cover if she's underneath it?
What are you doing?
That Woody slid is off of his food.
a break-in occurred, and the investigation is still underway. Who could the culprit be anyway?
Come in here. Are you smiling? Are you such a happy girl?
This is how I smile after taking my braces off.
Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, thank you for that beautiful smile. Oh, yes. Nice.
Sometimes, too much love might turn kisses into a gagging session.
Oh.
There are two ways to enjoy the weekend. Which team are you in? He just really wants to be the most handsome doggo in town.
A man's true character comes out when he's drunk.
Okay, guys, don't get lost.
Oh my god!
Is there ever too much snow for a husky?
Me!
Me learning how to kiss for the first time. Huskies are cat software running on dog hardware.
First, a puppy will steal your heart, and then he will steal your bed.
A helmet a day keeps the doctor away.
Playground swings are all fun and games until someone doesn't know how to use them correctly.
It's like stiff as a board. Come here, honey. Come here.
This pup makes it clear who is her favorite person.
You want mommy? Ooh.
Huh? What's wrong, pups? Can't get out? You upset? Yeah?
This is a classic example of the only thing stopping you is yourself.
Oh, if you only knew.